Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can insert milk container in coffee maker Whirlpool W11. So let's start from removing the water spout, and now prepare your milk container. In the first step, remove the cover and check that your container is empty. If not, just remove everything from inside and refill the container with the milk to the max level. Then close the cover, switch the knob to the insert and insert it like a water spout in the same place. Now you can adjust the level of the froth. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.